Greased the pan with extra virgin olive oil. Then I added some mixed vegetables. After that, I sprinkled some kale all around the pan. Mixed berries for flavor. A can of peas and carrots. These are all of the seasonings that I'm gonna use. It's too much to do one at a time. I love a lot of seasoning. Just a little bit of lime juice. Bake it at 240 for about 45 minutes or so. Then I added some chicken that I had left over. Sprinkled some cheese over top of it. And then this is the finished product. My first time ever trying it, so